where we hold the week-long celebration of our municipal founding day to let everyone know its beauty. Few years passed, leaving a handful of memories to all of us Matalomans, I should say, cause by heart I claim that I belong right here, exactly in Matalom. As we are joined here to celebrate the completion of yet another successful year and recall the founders and all the well-wishers of this town, it is my pleasure and pride to bring you to a night of pastel colors. Everybody is waiting for this moment to come, the night of talents and artistry, which gives highlights to our founding day celebration, showcasing our local talents in different fields, may it be in dancing, acting, and singing. Tonight, you may yourself discover as the colors of our cultural feast unfold. So, sit back, relax, and it is my fervent hope that you will all enjoy the show that we hope